Good morning, Navneet.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if the others are joining the class, so let's get started. I've shared my screen. Is it visible, Navneet?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Yeah, let's discuss the answers to these questions. Yeah, answer the first one. You don't have to write these in your notebook. We'll just discuss them. Yeah.
Dash is the additive identity and dash is the multiplicative identity of integers.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 0 is the additive identity and 1 is the multiplicative identity for integers.
Very good.
Of
Next one.
integers.
Very good. Next one.
-1 into even number of times is equal to the even number itself.
No, I'll tell you what it means. It means -1 multiplied even number of times, like 2 times, 4 times, 6 times, 8 times, 10 times, and so on. -1 multiplied with itself, even number of times.
1.
Yeah, correct. Is it a +1 or a -1?
+1.
Why?
Because there is and there is even number of ones minus ones. It is addition, and when it's odd number of times, it is subtraction.
No, you shouldn't say addition, subtraction. You must say positive, negative. Because when it is even number of times, it's a positive one. And when it is odd number of times, it's a negative one.
Negative one.
Okay, Navneet, you're right. But answer this question. What is 1 multiplied with itself odd number of times? Odd number of times.
Odd number of times.
1 multiply. Here the questions are -1 multiplied with itself even number of times and -1 multiplied with itself odd number of times. So your answers are correct. Now, what is the answer to this question? 1 positive 1 multiplied with itself odd number of times.
1.
Again, 1. And what is 1 multiplied with itself even number of times?
1.
Yeah. So when it is 1 multiplied with itself even number of times or odd number of times, in both the cases the answer will be 1, because 1 into 1 into 1 odd number of times is 1, and 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 even number of times is also 1.
1.
Yeah. So you have to be careful only when it is -1.
Okay.
So -1 into -1 into -1 odd number of times is -1.
Yeah.
-1 into -1 into -1 into -1 even number of times, because minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus. So it's a positive one.
Positive.
Yeah, but here it is minus into minus plus, and plus into minus is minus. So -1. Correct?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. Next, 38 divided by 0.
Is it plus or divided?
Divided. That's why I'm reading it for you. Divided.
0.
Okay, 0. Correct. Should I say think again?
No, ma'am. I'm very sure.
Okay, so what is the difference between 5 by 0 and 0 by 5? Are they the same, Navneet?
No. No, 1 second.
Yeah.
No, they are.
No. Relax. Just tell me what you understand. Think about 5 by 0 and 0 by 5. Is it 0? Yeah.
Both have no value. That's what I understand.
Really? Both of them have no value, is it?
Yeah, I thought like 5 by 0 is like 5. Then I realized 5 by 1 is only 5. So
Okay.
this has no value and this also has no value.
No, you're incorrect. So 5 by 0 is not defined because division by 0 is not defined. But
Yeah.
0 by 5 is 0. 0 divided by 5 is 0. But 5 by 0 is not defined.
Oh, okay, sorry.
Now you can see the division. Let's try to divide 0 by 5. Let's try to divide 0 by 5. See here. So 0 will be the dividend. I'm trying to divide 0 by 5. Are you following, Navneet?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm trying to divide 0 by 5. Okay, so how do we do the division? So 0 divided by 5, like this.
5.
So 5 ones are 5. 5 zeros are 0. See here, we finished the division.
Oh.
So 0 by 5, you can divide it as 0. But when you try to divide 5 by 0, 5 by 0, 5 is the divisor. Sorry, dividend. 0 is the divisor.
Divisor.
Now 0 ones are 0. 0 twos are 0. 0 threes are 0. 0 fours are 0. So you cannot divide 5 by 0 because you cannot get close to 5 at all. Every time the product is 0. So this one is not defined. So remember that division by 0 is not defined. Division by 0 is not defined. Which means 10 by 0 is not defined. But 0 by 10 is 0. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. So what now? Tell me what is 38 divided by 0?
It is not defined.
And what is 0 divided by 11?
0.
What is 13 divided by 1?
13.
Sorry, 1 minute. This one should be an equal to sign. I'm reading it for you because the letters are, meaning the print is very small. And if I zoom in, then I cannot annotate. If I try to zoom in, no, then I cannot write on the screen. So that's why I'm reading the questions for you. Yeah. Now the sixth one is 13 divided by 1. What's the result? 13 divided by 1.
13.
55 divided by, no, this is 55 plus what is 0? Yeah, this is plus. The seventh one is 55 plus what will give you 0?
Ma'am, it is bracket minus
Yeah, 1
55.
second. Navneet, just a second. Good morning, Anirudh.
Yes, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Now only join, ma'am. In my phone, I can't join, ma'am. It's saying switch the account, and then it didn't come, ma'am.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay. Fine, fine. No, I was waiting for some time, Anirudh, because you joined and then you left. So I waited for about 5 to 7 minutes and then I thought, okay, I'll just start the class. Okay. Okay. Anyways, we have not done much. You can see we have come to the sixth one. We are discussing the seventh one, Anirudh.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. I know the answer.
Yeah, 1 minute. I was just asking Navneet. I'll just come back to you for the eighth one. Okay. Yes, Navneet. 55
Ma'am, the answer is bracket minus 55.
Very good. It's minus 55. Very good. So 55 plus minus 55 is 0. Yes, Anirudh, next one, eighth one. Minus 31 plus what is 0?
Ma'am,
Minus
1 plus 31.
plus 31 is 0. Very good. Very good. Next one, Navneet. Both of you think Navneet and Anirudh. Ninth one is minus 55 plus what will give us minus 89? Both of you think anybody can answer. Anybody who gets it can give the answer first.
Ma'am, the answer is bracket minus 34.
Okay, what is your answer, Anirudh?
Ma'am, minus 34 only, ma'am. I said first, ma'am.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah. So in the bracket minus 34, because we cannot have two signs at the same time. Like we
Yes,
cannot have
ma'am.
minus 55 plus minus 34 like this. So we need to enclose it in a bracket. Correct. Both of you are right. Minus 55 and in brackets minus 34 is minus 89. Very good. Minus 34. Now answer this question. Well, answer this question. Minus 55 minus what is minus 89?
Bracket minus 34.
How can you have the same answer for different operations? This is minus now.
Oh, okay. Bracket plus 34.
Correct. So you don't have to put a bracket because you can just write 34, right? You can just write 34. You don't have to write plus 34, correct? So you just write 34. It's okay. Supposing the options are given and in the option you find a plus 34, select that plus 34.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Correct, Anirudh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Minus, you just write 34. You don't have to write plus 34. Just write 34 is equal to minus 89. Very good, boys. Yeah. So here the answer is, where is it? Yeah. Oh, yeah. Next one. Anirudh, next one. Minus 33 plus what is 79? This for Anirudh.
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am. 1 minute.
Yeah, yeah. Navneet, you need to also work, okay?
Yes, ma'am. That's what I'm doing. Yeah, even I'm
Yeah.
doing it.
I think the answer is 40. No, ma'am.
No, take your time. Take your time. No hurry. Tell me the correct answer. That's all.
Ma'am, got the answer.
112. Ma'am, I think the answer is 112.
112, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So
I got 46.
you got how much?
46. 46.
I also got 46, ma'am, but then I noticed that minus 33 plus 46 will not come to 79, ma'am. So I added it, ma'am. He subtracted it, so it will come wrong answer, ma'am.
Correct.
Only correct answer, ma'am.
Correct. Yeah. So that's what it is. You need to either add the two numbers or subtract the two numbers. It's the answer is either 79 plus 33 or 79 minus 33. The answer is 79 plus, you'll have to fix the signs. You have to fix the signs later. Plus minus sign you have to fix. But the number is 79 plus 33 or 79 minus 33. One of these two. The answer will be one of these two numbers only. The answer can be 79 plus 33, which is, as Anirudh said, 112. It can be a plus or a minus 112. That you should decide later. It can be a plus 112 or a minus 112. That you have to decide. Or the answer can be 79 minus 33, which is a 46. Yeah. Again, it can be plus 46 or minus 46. That you have to check. But the number, the value can be only 112 or 46. One of these two is the answer. Add the two numbers, subtract the two numbers. Add the two numbers, subtract the two numbers. So you get the absolute value. It's called the absolute value. Then you'll have to fix the sign. Plus minus you'll have to fix. Very good, Anirudh. So you said positive 112, right, Anirudh?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. You're right. Because different signs we need to subtract and put the sign of the greater number. Yeah, very good. Very good, Anirudh. So this is 112. So as we understood, you should add 33 and 79. Or that is, you should find the sum of these two numbers. Forget the signs. Leave the signs. Just add 33 and 79 or subtract, the two numbers. So you get two new numbers. To that, you just have to fix the sign plus minus and check which one will work. Okay, very good. Yes.
And 1000 plus minus.
No. 1 minute. Anirudh, it's not your turn now. Please wait. Please wait for your turn. Yeah, Navneet.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
1000 plus dash is equal to minus 1000. Minus 1000 it is.
Ma'am, the answer is bracket minus 2000.
Bracket minus 2000. Okay. Is this what is your answer, Anirudh?
Same, ma'am.
Same. Very good. Both of you are right. Very good. Next, Anirudh.
Minus 7 plus 9 plus dash is equal to 9 plus minus 7 plus 4.
Yeah.
Ma'am, I think the answer is 4 only, ma'am.
4. Correct. 4. Because it's just that there are 3. What are the 3 numbers, Anirudh? What are the 3 numbers?
Minus 7 plus 9 plus 4. So,
No. That's not the answer. What are the 3 numbers?
9, 7, 4.
No. What are the 3 numbers? It's not 9, 7, and 4. Try once again.
7, 9, and 4. 9.
Okay, one more chance, Anirudh. Tell me.
9, 7, 4 or 7, 9, 4.
No. Navneet?
Ma'am, even I think Anirudh is correct only. Even I think the 3 numbers are 9, 7, and 4.
No, the 3 numbers are minus 7, 9, and 4.
9, minus 7, and 4 because plus into minus is minus, so 9, minus 7, and 4.
No, not plus into minus and all that. The 3 numbers are minus 7, 9, and 4.
9 and 4, yeah.
We need to identify the 3 numbers. The 3 numbers. Forget the operations. They're connected by plus or minus sign. Leave that. You need to identify the numbers. What are the numbers? The numbers are minus 7, 9, and 4. You can see the same numbers in the the other side of the equal to sign. See the numbers are minus 7, 9, and 4. See here, minus 7, 9, and 4, and the 3 numbers are connected by the which operation? Addition. They're connected by the plus sign. Addition. The operation is addition, but the addition is done in different order. But we know that integers are commutative, associative. Integers are associative under addition. Integers are associative under addition. Boys, one thing is, maybe you got the answer correct 4, but we need to understand the question still better. That's what I'm trying to say now. So don't think about the next answers. Now listen to me. I'm talking about the 12th one. Please listen to that. Your answer 4 is right, but we need to understand something beyond the answer. Are you all listening to me, Navneet and Anirudh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, the 3 numbers. Yeah, the 3 numbers are minus 7, 9, and 4. These are the 3 numbers. What do we see? On the left hand side and right hand side, the 3 numbers are grouped in a different way. But we know that integers are associative under addition. Integers are associative under addition. So you can add them in any order. So on the left hand side, you see minus 7 plus 9. These 2 numbers are grouped. The numbers minus 7 and plus 9, they are grouped. And you can see plus 4 outside. On the RHS, you can see that 9, the number 9 is outside. And which are the 2 numbers grouped? Minus 7 and 4. And see, the sign is plus everywhere. They're all connected by the plus sign. So it is addition. Do you understand, children, what I'm saying?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to understand what property, using which property you have, answered the question. So Anirudh, what is the property here? We get 4,
Ma'am,
but what? Yeah. Tell me the property. I can't hear you. Navneet, what's the property?
Oh, I thought you were asking Anirudh.
I
Ma'am,
asked Anirudh. Ah.
Yeah, ma'am. The property is. Ma'am, can I get the answer from Anirudh?
No, Navneet, I've always noticed this, you lack focus. You need to work on that. You need to work on that. Yeah. Once you get the answer, Navneet, you just, shut your mind. You don't want to listen to anything further. It's not like that. Everything discussed in this, in the meetings are very, very important. You cannot let go any information just because you got the answer. I don't want this from you, Navneet, again.
Okay.
Yes, Anirudh?
Ma'am,
Yes, Anirudh.
ma'am, somebody's calling, ma'am. Wait, ma'am. Can you wait, ma'am? I'm sorry for the problem caused, ma'am. Somebody's calling, ma'am.
Oh, you need to attend the call, is it?
Yes, ma'am. My sister's friend's mother is calling because my friend is crying. She's not there, ma'am. Ma'am, wait, ma'am. I will give it. Ma'am, bye, ma'am. Can I leave 1 minute?
Okay, fine. Yeah, Navneet, what are the 3 numbers?
Ma'am, 9, -7, and 4.
What is happening on both the sides? In the left-hand side, which are the 2 numbers grouped?
-7 and 9.
And on the right-hand side, which are the 2 numbers grouped?
-7 and 4.
What is the operation connecting the numbers?
What, ma'am?
What are the 4 mathematical operations?
Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division.
Now, between 2 numbers, what is the operation you see?
Plus.
Addition, right? See, the numbers are -7 and the numbers -7, 9 connected by the plus sign. And then see here, there's 4 here connected by the plus sign. Again, the numbers -7, 4 connected by the plus sign. And outside also the plus sign. So how many numbers you have? 2 or 3 numbers? What is it? On LHS, on the LHS and RHS, how many numbers do you see? 3 in the LHS, 3 in the RHS, right?
3, yes.
Yeah, when you have 3 numbers, is it commutative or associative?
It's associative.
When we have 3 numbers, it is associative. And what is the operation? Addition.
Addition, yeah.
Yeah, so what is the property you use here? It's the associative property of addition of integers. Repeat.
The associative property of addition on integers.
Yeah, that's all it is. You can see 3 numbers. They are grouped in different ways. And the operation is addition. That observation is important. It's not that you put the answer 4 and your teacher gives you 1 mark for that and you're happy. No, you have not understood the question in depth.
Yes.
There are 3 numbers on both the sides. And the numbers are grouped in different ways. The operation is addition. So how do we get the answer? Using the property, associative property of addition, because the operation is addition.
Yeah.
Of rational numbers, of integers, sorry.
Of integers.
Rational numbers is also correct. That's in 8th standard. Now on integers, yeah. Next one, Navneet.
Yes. -6 plus 2 is equal to 2. And
so it's multiplication. When there's 2 and a bracket, that means multiplication. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 2 into what? Minus 6 plus 2 is 2 into what?
One. Minus 2.
Okay, so what's correct? What is the answer here?
The answer here is minus 4.
Minus 4. The answer is minus 4.
Minus
So
4.
2 into what is minus 4?
2 into minus 2.
Minus 2 is minus 4. Very good. So it's minus 2. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one.
251 divided by what is equal to 1? 251.
Very good. Next one.
Minus 70 divided by minus 14.
Minus 14. Very good. Minus 70 divided by minus 14 is equal to 5. Very good,
5.
Navneet. Is this understood well?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Navneet, just continue to work this. I'll just get back in 5 minutes. Please continue and keep your answers ready. All right?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you take a screenshot, Navneet?
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
Yeah, please take a screenshot.
Anirudh has also joined now. He has joined back.
Oh, yeah. I'll tell him also. Anirudh, are you there now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, Anirudh. Please, I'll just give me 5 minutes, Anirudh. I'll get back. Please
Okay.
take a screenshot and start working these.
Yeah, ma'am.
Just work from 16 to 20. I'll just get back. Okay. Taken a screenshot, boys?
Yes, ma'am, I took it.
Yeah,
Anirudh?
ma'am.
Okay, very good, very good. Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Good morning, Avanish.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, when did you join?
Ma'am, I joined before 10 minutes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. We started the meeting.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I had asked the children to take a screenshot of this one. See, I'll share this picture with you. You can do this later. This
Yes,
one,
ma'am.
we discussed this one. Okay, I'll share
Okay,
this
ma'am.
with you. You can try it yourself, and I'll also share the answers. You first try it, and then I'll share the answers. That is, I'll first share the questions with you. You work it and let me know, then I'll share the answer so that you can check if you've got the right answer. Okay, Avanish?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So now I just took a break for 10 minutes. I had put the children to work this one. I had asked them to take a screenshot of this one, and they were working this actually.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. But I don't think the screen was visible for you, right? Because my staff was working on something else.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's why I had to just take a break for 10 minutes. So I had asked Navneet and Avnish Anil to take a screenshot of this image, and I asked them to continue working. So since
Okay,
you
ma'am.
did not join at that time, I was not able to tell you. You did not get the information. Yes, Avnish. So this is the status so far. Now I think you can start working from the first one here because I think they would have finished these. Okay. So start working from here, Avnish.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Um,
Yeah, boys, all of you, I'll just come back in 5 minutes. Please continue working. Now you can see the screen, right? The question paper, all of you.
yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, please continue working.
Yeah,
I'll
ma'am.
just join. Yes, boys. I'll just join you in 10 minutes. Please continue working.
Ma'am, we have to write questions.
Yeah, I think so. Ma'am is not there. I think you need to write it. Yeah, write the question also.
Yeah, boys. I'm here. So what's the status like? Avanish, till where have you finished? Have you finished 1, Avanish?
Yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3?
I'm doing, ma'am.
Very good. What about Anirudh? Have you finished 1,
Ma'am, yes, ma'am.
2,
Yes, ma'am.
3,
Ma'am, doubt, ma'am.
4?
Yes, ma'am.
Completed 4, is it?
Ma'am, I completed till 6, ma'am, but I didn't complete the third one, ma'am. Doubt, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. So you finished all the 6 except the third one. Very good. Okay. What about Navneet? Have you
Ma'am,
finished the
even I finished till what Agnes finished till.
Okay,
Like,
fine.
yeah, third one I'm about to do. Yeah.
Okay, fine, fine. All right, yeah. Now, let's see the answer for 3 because, I think that's a doubt for all of you. Is that a doubt for all of you? Third one?
No, ma'am, I'm about to do it, so I don't have any doubts. Like,
Okay, fine, fine, fine. Then we'll come from the first one. Yeah. The first, please stop working, children, and listen to me. Check your answers. A man traveled. Okay, I think we need to come from the 16th one. Okay. Yeah. What's answer? I think Avanish has not worked, but what about Anirudh and Navneet?
ma'am, 0.
Who's that 0?
Ma'am, Navneet
Okay, read the question. 0
divided by 993.
is 0. Okay, that is division. Was it clear, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so 0 divided by 993 is 0. What about the next one?
Ma'am, the answer is 2395.
Divided by
Divided by
2395 is 1. Very good. Next one?
3589. Positive.
Positive 3589. Very good. Next one?
Minus 2.
Are we all getting this? Anirudh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Divided by. Okay, so 22 divided by minus 2 is minus 11. And the last one?
Minus 1.
Minus 1, ma'am.
Okay, very good. All right, children. Let's go to the word problems. A man traveled 30 kilometers. So here, writing the statements is very important. A man traveled 30 kilometers east of a place A and reached B. So he's at place A. See, I will not be happy if you just get the answer without the expected statements. Correct meaning correct in every way. The statements must be right. You should understand the question, the situation given. Your statements must be right and the answer should be correct. A man traveled 30 kilometers east of a place A and reached place B. So he's at place A. He's at place A. He travels to the east, this way. See here, north, south, east, west. Okay. So he travels east. So he goes like this. He travels like this and he reached B. He reaches a place B. From B, he traveled 60 kilometers west, which is west. From B, west. So west of B will be, this is B. Which is the west of B? You can see
Left
here.
side, ma'am. Left side.
Yeah, like this.
See.
It's going like this. He's going to the left of B. So from B, he traveled 60 kilometers west. West meaning this way. He goes 60 kilometers west of B and reached C. He reaches C. Find the distance of C from A. Find the distance of C from A. What is the distance of C from A? This one you should find.
And 30 kilometers. 30.
30. Okay. So the statements for this one. So this will be the diagram like. So the answer for the first one. Okay. A B, C. Distance AB, that's what you should write. Distance, you should write fully, okay? Distance, I don't have place, so I'm just writing distance AB is equal to how much? How much is AB?
30.
Okay. 30.
Yes, ma'am. You can go 30.
Yeah, okay. Then C is beyond this one. 1 minute. C is beyond A. C is beyond A. 1 minute. AB, this is 30. And then he goes, so he's going beyond this because 60 kilometers. And this full thing is 60. Yeah. Now tell me, what have you written? Let me hear from one of you. What are the statements you have written?
Distance covered by the man to west east A to B is equal to 30.
Okay.
Distance covered by the man to west BC is equal to minus 60.
Very good.
Even we know the same statements.
Very good. Okay. Next, Avinish, completed.
Distance from A to C is equal to plus 3 minus 60 is equal to minus 30. Which is the answer of the distance between the A and C one.
Okay. But do you think distance can be negative?
No, ma'am.
No, distance cannot be negative.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct? Yeah.
Yes.
Distance cannot be negative.
Okay.
Yeah, then how do you present the answer?
Then 30, ma'am.
30.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I? Yeah, Anirudh, what have you written?
Ma'am, 30 only, ma'am.
No, read your steps.
Ma'am, I just wrote the answer, ma'am. You said to work on them, ma'am. So I did it in a rough column, in a rough note. I did the answer only, ma'am.
Okay, fine. All right, fine. Okay, fine. So distance, what is the distance AB? What is the distance AB?
30, ma'am.
30 kilometers. Okay, so 30 kilometers, that is distance AB is equal to the absolute value of 30 kilometers. What is the distance BC? It is the absolute value of minus 60 because he's going in the, he's traveling towards west. So it's the absolute value of minus 60, which is 60 kilometers. Absolute value means you should write the numerical value. Ignoring the sign, it's always positive. Absolute value of an integer is always positive. Like the absolute value, see, this is the symbol for absolute value. We write it between two lines like this. This is the symbol for absolute value. When I ask you, what is the answer for this? You must say 5. What is the answer for this one? This is also 5. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. The absolute value of minus 5 is also 5. The absolute value of an integer is its positive numerical value. Always positive. Is it understood, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
It's also called the modulus sign. It's also called the modulus sign, modulus symbol, modulus symbol. Okay, this one is also called the modulus symbol or the absolute value. Make a note of this, absolute value. So what should you make a note? I'll write it here for you again. I'll write it here. Make a note of this one. modulus or absolute value, symbol is this one. Okay, example, absolute value of minus 10.5 is 10.5. Absolute value of minus 7/8 is 7/8. Absolute value of 100 is 100. It's always positive.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, you gave one holiday assignment, no, ma'am.
Yeah, we'll discuss that also. This week we'll have classes almost every day. In one of the classes we'll discuss. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good, Anirudh. Very good. Yes, we'll do it. Now, this of you should present the answer. Distance AB is equal to absolute value of plus 30 because E is no. So plus 30, which is 30 because distance cannot be negative. Distance cannot be negative. So absolute value of plus 30, which is 30 kilometers. Distance BC is equal to, it's actually BC is minus 60. But it's the absolute distance BC will be the absolute value of minus 60, which is 60 kilometers. So the distance CA is equal to 60 minus 30. Which is 30 kilometers. 30 kilometers. Okay, the next one. Finish writing this one. I want you all to make a note of this answer. Finish writing, boys.
I'm almost.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
Okay.
And ma'am.
All right, should be next one. I have to clear the screen. So for the second one, a man had rupees 20,000 in his account in a bank. Okay. So bank balance. The first statement is bank balance. Bank balance. You write it fully. Okay. I've written BAL. You write balance fully is equal to plus 20,000. Then 3,000 per month for the first 2 months. So he withdraws that. Withdrawal is equal to withdrawal. Withdrawal is equal to
Minus 6,000 for 2 months.
yeah, correct. It will be minus 3,000 into 2 for 2 months. So that is minus 6,000.
Minus 6,000. Yes.
Correct.
Ma'am,
And
sorry,
deposit. Deposit is equal to
6,000.
For 3 months, 12,000. Minus 6,000 into 2 is equal to minus 12,000.
he withdraws rupees 3,000 per month for the first 2 months and deposits double this amount on the third month. How much ever he withdrew, he doubles that and he deposits. See, that's what is given. He withdraws rupees 3,000 per month for the first 2 months and deposits double of this amount. So what? How much did he withdraw? 6,000. So double that, 12,000. Correct?
Ma'am, so the answer will be.
So plus 12,000.
Yes, ma'am.
And deposits double of this amount. How much ever he withdrew? 6,000 he withdrew. Double that, plus 12,000. Deposit is positive. Withdrawal is negative. Bank balance is positive. Bank balance is positive. Withdrawal is negative. Deposit again is positive. Disable your mic, boys. Now the bank balance will be how much? 20,000 minus 6,000 plus 12,000, correct? How much is that? 32 minus 6, 26,000. Did you all get this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The bank balance will be how much he has, 20,000. How much he withdrew, 6,000. How much he again deposited, 12,000. So 20,000 minus 6,000 plus 12,000. If he deposits, add, withdraw, subtract. But he already has 20,000. So 20,000 minus 6,000 plus 12,000, which is 26,000. Okay, the third one, verify. Okay, so for that you should,
I
do
have a doubt in this sum, ma'am.
Very good. I'll tell you now. 1 minute. So we'll do the third question, first subdivision. The numbers are A is equal to what?
Minus 17 is equal to plus 15, ma'am.
B is equal to plus 15. Very good. Okay. So now you should take up the LHS. Whenever we have to verify, you should take up the LHS. What are the LHS? LHS is A minus B. Correct? Now I'll tell you the procedure. I want all of you to do the second one correctly. Listen to the procedure. Whenever it is verified, what should you do? Write out the values given for A and B. What is given? A is minus 17 and B is plus 15. Write that. Now look at the property which has to be verified. So the property which has to be verified is A minus of minus B is equal to A plus B. That's what you'll have to verify. So take the LHS, A minus of minus B. Now substitute the values, boys. What is A? Minus 17. Put that in a bracket because minus 17, no? A is minus 17. Then put this minus, take all the signs from here. For A and B, write the values. So A is minus 17. Then that minus sign, minus. Then put this minus sign also. 1 minute. I don't have place, so let me just write it again. 1 second. I'll do it here, boys. Okay, so A is equal to minus 17, B is equal to plus 15. So LHS, what are the LHS? LHS is A minus B. So that is A is minus 17. A is minus 17. Then this minus sign, put that minus sign. They have opened a bracket. You also open a bracket. And there's a minus sign here. Put the minus sign. And B is 15. You can put it in a bracket or you can just write 15 as it is. So you can use a square bracket itself. I'm sorry, simple bracket itself. Okay, so minus simple bracket minus B is 15. See, what have I done? I've just substituted the values, nothing else. Instead of A and B, I've written minus 17 and 15. Next step, you should simplify minus 17, minus into minus plus 15, which is equal to minus 2. This is the LHS. Now work the RHS. What's the RHS? A plus B. RHS is A plus B. So write A. What is A? Minus 17. You can put a bracket. Then plus B. What is B? 15. Now what is this? Minus. So that is equal to minus 17 plus 15, which is minus 2. So now you should say LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified.
Ma'am.
1 second. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. Yes, Avnish?
Ma'am, in the LHS, we have written that minus 17 minus 15. How did it come, ma'am?
Okay. So what is the LHS, Avnish? Can you see in the LHS, can you see A minus minus B? Is this the LHS?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now see. What is the value of A, Avnish?
Ma'am, minus 17, ma'am.
So see here, all of you look at the screen. All of you look at the screen. See, I'm taking away A. And what is A? What is A? Minus 17. So I'm writing minus 17, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Then what is B?
B is plus 15.
Plus
So I'm
15.
taking away B. I'm removing B. And I'm going to write 15 there. Whatever is the value of B, 15. This is only the substitution. You understood now? You should
Yes,
just remove. Yeah, you should just take away A and B. That's all. You should write the LHS as it is. Whatever signs you see, write everything as it is. Just remove A and write A's value. Remove B and write B's value. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah. Now let's do for A 50 and B 21. Okay. What is the LHS, boys?
A minus of minus B, ma'am. So 50
minus 1 minus B is equal to
50 minus of minus 21, ma'am.
Very good.
So
So
50 plus 21, ma'am.
Very good.
So 50 plus 21 is 71.
Very good. RHS?
RHS is equal to A plus B, ma'am. 50 plus 21 is 71, ma'am. So hence verified, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. I like your bold answer, Anirudh. Very good. So A minus B. Okay. LH, you can just write LHS is equal to RHS. You don't have to write this again. Okay. So LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Do you have any doubts, boys?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
So you should just, whenever you have to verify a property, what is given there is a property. Whenever you have to verify a property, you must write the LHS and RHS separately. And instead of, sometimes X and Y will be given. Instead of A and B, they'll give you X and Y. Whatever, or they'll give PQ or MN. Whatever it is. So if it is XY, they'll give you the value of X and Y. In place of X, write the value. In place of Y, write the value. That's all. And then simplify. That's all. Understood?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now tell me how to do this. Same property. If A is minus 32 and B is minus 20. LHS is what? A minus minus B. This is the LHS. So what should I write?
32 minus 20. Ma'am, so minus 32 plus minus 20, ma'am.
No, 1 minute. First step, minus 32.
Minus of minus 20, ma'am.
Minus of minus 20. Wrong.
Ma'am, that only there is in a step, ma'am. A minus of minus B. So minus 32 minus of minus 20.
Ma'am, can I say?
Yeah, Navneet.
Ma'am, it is minus 32 minus bracket 20, I think. 20.
See, you should not simplify. You must write. First, you should just substitute. See, I'll tell you, you people don't take instructions at all correctly. What did I say? Instead of A and B, write the values of A and B. Don't you understand that?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, Avinash.
Ma'am, minus 32 minus bracket minus 20.
No, you all know it, but you're not saying it correctly.
Minus 32 minus of bracket minus 20.
No.
And minus 32 minus 20.
No. See, I'll tell you. What is this? A minus B, boys. What's wrong? This one is minus 32. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And what is this one?
Yes.
Minus 20. Yes or
Minus
no?
Yes, ma'am.
So what should you write?
Ma'am,
Minus 32 minus bracket minus 20.
Ma'am, like this also we can write down.
Yes, இப்படிதான் எழுதணும். Like this also we can write இல்ல. இப்படிதான் எழுதணும். நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? Lift A and B. A and B தூக்கிடு. Lift A and B and அதுக்கு பதிலா A and B ஓட values போடணும் தானே நான் அப்பையில சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். நான் சொல்றது நான் எல்லாமே சொல்றேன். You should take my instruction clearly. நான் அததான் அப்பையில சொல்லிட்டு இருக்கேன். நீங்களா -3 மைனஸ் சொல்லல. எல்லாருமே ஒன்னு நவனீத் சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணி ஆன்சர் சொல்றான். சிம்பிளிஃபை எல்லாம் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்ல பண்ண கூடாது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் சப்ஸ்டிட்யூட் மட்டும் தான் பண்ணணும். எவ்வளவு கிளியரா சொல்றேன். A B எடுத்துட்டு A B ஓட வேல்யூஸ் போடுங்கன்ற அதுக்கப்புறம் இன்னும் எவ்வளவு ஈஸியா சொல்றது நான் உங்களுக்கு. See, you have A minus B. Lift this A. What is that? Minus 32. Lift this B. What is B? Minus 20. இது எப்படி எழுதுறது இப்ப? How will it be here? Minus 32 minus bracket minus 20. இப்படிதானே இருக்கும். So what you should do? இங்க ஒரு மைனஸ் இருக்கு, இங்க மைனஸ். So இத ஒரு பிராக்கெட்ல போட்டுட்டு இது மொத்தத்தையும் ஒரு ஸ்கொயர் பிராக்கெட்ல போட்டுறணும். See, minus B. So you must. So I expected this one. A க்கு பதிலா you must write minus 32. அப்புறம் இந்த மைனஸ் சைன் இங்க இருக்குல்ல அது அப்படியே போடணும். இப்ப you can see B நெகட்டிவா இருக்கு. You can see that here B itself is negative. So you should start with a square bracket. Then put this minus sign. Now instead of B, what is B? Minus 20. Write that minus 20. The first step is just to take away A and B and write the values of A and B. That's all. வேற ஒண்ணும் பண்ணக்கூடாது. நான் கரெக்டா சொல்லலையா இல்ல நீங்க புரிஞ்சுக்கலையா எனக்கு தெரியல. Am I clear now?
Yeah, ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Just take away A and B and write the values. That is the first step. A padingo. What is it? A minus of minus B. A க்கு பதிலா என்ன எழுதணும்? Minus 32. அப்புறம் இந்த மைனஸ் சைன் அப்படியே போடணும். இப்போ you notice that B itself is negative. இந்த B negative 20. அதனால இந்த சிம்பிள் பிராக்கெட்டுக்கு பதிலா ஸ்கொயர் பிராக்கெட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணும். இந்த மைனஸ் சைனை அப்படியே போடணும். இந்த பிக்கு பதிலா என்ன கொடுத்திருக்கு? -20. -20 இப்படி போட முடியாது. சோ அத பிராக்கெட்ல இப்படி போடணும். அதனால தான் we started with the square bracket. பரவாயில்லை, you can change the bracket. Simple bracket கொடுத்திருக்கு, but you can change the bracket to a square bracket. That's not wrong. So இந்த A minus 32 அப்படியே போடணும். இந்த மைனஸ் அப்படியே போடணும். சாரி, ஏக்கு பதிலா -32. இந்த மைனஸ் சைன் அப்படியே போடணும். சிம்பிள் பிராக்கெட் பதிலா ஸ்கொயர் பிராக்கெட் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இந்த மைனஸ் அப்படியே போடணும். இப்ப B is -20. -20ன்றதால பிராக்கெட்ல போடுறோம். அது சிம்பிள் பிராக்கெட்ல. இப்ப இந்த பிராக்கெட் க்ளோஸ் பண்றது வந்து ஸ்கொயர் பிராக்கெட் க்ளோஸ் பண்ணுவோம். Whenever you start a bracket, you must close it. You should open and close it. You cannot just open it and leave it. If you open, you should close it. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Now start
ma'am.
simplifying. இத simplify பண்றது வந்து இந்த -32 அப்படியே போட்டுட்டு write this minus sign also. First simplify this one. What is minus into minus?
Plus.
Plus 20. So அந்த simplify பண்ணிட்டு அத ஆன்சர் இப்படி போடணும் பிராக்கெட்ல. இந்த பிராக்கெட்டோட ஆன்சர் 20. கரெக்ட்?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
In the bracket, first simplify pannom. Minus into minus plus 20. Now open the bracket. What is it? Minus 32?
Minus 32 minus minus.
Minus minus. Minus into plus. Minus 20. So what's the answer?
Ma'am, the answer is minus
52.
Minus 52. Yeah, minus 52.
Minus 50.
Yeah, now RHS எப்படி work பண்ணும்? Listen to me. RHS எப்படி work பண்ணும்? Write the RHS first. What is the RHS? A plus B. This is the RHS. A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to A என்ன? Minus 32. அது minus தான் bracketல போட்டுக்கலாம், தப்பில்ல. Because அது minus 32னால bracketல போடுங்க. இங்கேயும் you can put a bracket. Minus 32 bracketல போடலாம். வெறும் 32, okay. Minus 32 you can put it in a bracket. Next step you remove it. Now minus 32. Now in the A bala minus 32. In the plus sign, அப்படியே போடணும் இந்த plus sign. இப்போ B, what is B? Minus 20. So put it in a bracket. You can use brackets. Brackets நீங்களா போட்டுக்கலாம். Signs நீங்களா போடக்கூடாது. அங்க இருக்கிற sign தான் போடணும். So இப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ணிருக்கோம்? அந்த plus sign, you can see the connecting sign, plus sign as it is. A is minus 32, B is minus 20. Correct?
Yeah,
now open the bracket. Now open the bracket. Now this is 52 minus 52. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified. Hence verified. See, children, I don't know about all the schools, but in some schools I see that teachers are very lenient in correcting. You know, they just, it's okay. For them, it is okay if children miss a few steps and they give full marks. Don't be happy. If you have not, you know, given all the steps but got full marks, don't be happy. You are the loser. Your teacher is not the loser. You are the loser. If supposing you have not worked it correctly, but your teacher has given you marks for that, don't be happy with that. You are losing on the knowledge, not your teacher. Always learn to write everything correctly with all the steps. You must earn your marks. You should not be happy if you get free marks. Okay, teacher did not notice, she's given me marks here. So that way you're only losing. You may top the test by getting marks like that, but that happiness is not real happiness. So please show all these steps. All these steps are needed. Don't say I did everything in my mind, I got the answer. It's not like that. You must show the steps. All of you, please complete this one. Do the third one. Third one is an example, like meaning we took these numbers. Please work this, or maybe I'll give a different number. Okay, instead of this, let you not copy this. Do for this one, A is equal to minus 13.8 and B is minus, oh, 1 minute. Not bracket, minus 27.2. Yeah, please do this, boys. I'll just come back. I'll just have some water and come back, boys. Please do this. The same property. Verify the same property. Yes.
And we have to copy the third one.
Yeah, you can do it. Yes, you do the third one. And okay, I want you to verify this property, boys. 1 minute, 1 minute. This is a different question. 1 minute, boys. I'll just write the question again for you. Verify this property. Verify the property. Verify this property for me, okay? Verify this property for me. This is a different property. What I've written is a different property. For A is equal to minus 20. I'm just, I don't know what I wrote earlier, so just forget that. 3 and B is equal to minus 32.7. Verify the property. Now, Avinash, do you have a phone beside you?
No, ma'am.
Can you take Can you take a photo of this answer and send it on WhatsApp for me now after finishing it?
Okay, ma'am.
What about Anirudh? Can you work this one? This one. Can you work this and take a picture and send it on WhatsApp?
Ma'am, yes, ma'am, definitely, ma'am.
Yeah, very good, very good. Yeah, all if you complete this, take down the third one, then work this one, the question which I have given, and share the pictures on WhatsApp. Once I receive the pictures, I'll come back. I'm putting myself on mute. I'll come back once I get your pictures on WhatsApp.
Ma'am, I have sent the photo, ma'am.
Okay, I first received the answer from Anirudh. Let me see what he's worked. Minus 27.3 minus. Anirudh, I'm so sorry to say that your answer is wrong.
Ma'am, why, ma'am?
I'll tell you. Yeah, I'll tell you. Next, I received from Avnish. Avnish. Avnish has done it correctly with all the steps perfect. Next, Navneet. Navneet is right with the LHS, but I'm sorry, RHS, but not with the LHS. That means we have not understood. Avnish is the only one who's worked, LHS and RHS perfectly. So I'm convinced that Avnish has understood very clearly. So Navneet and Anirudh, listen to me again. It is not at all difficult, but maybe you lack focus or you're in a hurry. I don't know. You need to identify your problem. Now tell me. LHS, okay? Somebody's mic is enabled. Disable your mic. No, I think I'll not ask you. I'll write it myself. You need to understand now. So the LHS is minus A minus B is equal to. Now, we have the value of A, but there's a minus here. For this A, you should write minus 27.3, but there's a minus. Put the minus sign. What is A? Minus 27.3, minus 27.3. Then this minus sign, put it. Then there's a bracket here, so open it. Use a square bracket. There's a minus here, put the minus sign. And what is B? B is minus 32.7. So minus 32.7. Check your first step, Navneet and Anirudh, have you got this? No.
Ma'am, we put only minus 27.3 and minus of minus 32.7. That is wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, தப்பு. See, நான் என்ன சொன்னேன்? எல்லா சயின்ஸ் எல்லாம் அப்படியே எல்லா சயின்ஸும் இருக்கணும். LHSல எவ்வளவு மைனஸ் சைன் இருக்கு? 1 2 3 மைனஸ் எல்லா சயின்ஸும் நீங்க போடணும். A and B க்கு பதிலா சப்ஸ்டிடியூட் பண்ணணும் அதோட வேல்யூஸ்ன்றேன். நீங்க எல்லா சயின்ஸும் காமிக்கவே இல்ல. So no, I'm not explaining. You need to understand this. Just take away it, lift A and B and write the values for A and B. That's all. The other signs must come as it is. Now this will become. Oh, 1 minute. Avnish also, have you put the minus in the first place? Somebody's mic is enabled. Please disable your mic. Oh, Avnish has also gone wrong in the first part. Minus 8 is Avnish. You have not written that minus. I don't know. I just noticed that. You're also wrong in the LHS. That's because you have written only as A minus minus B. It's minus A. So Avnish, so all the three of you, not 100% right. Now tell me, now what will be the next step? Anirudh?
Ma'am, the next step will be minus minus into minus is plus, ma'am. So 27.3.
Now you can simplify. Now you should simplify and all that.
Minus
plus this. Do only this one. Don't do all the three. Do only this. So put this minus sign as it is. Open a simple bracket now. Minus into minus plus 32.7. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, Anirudh.
Ma'am, we should subtract both, ma'am.
No, open the bracket.
Ma'am, for minus into plus is minus 32.7, ma'am. Ma'am, now yes, ma'am. The answer will be 5.4.
Yeah. Plus or minus?
Plus 5.4.
Plus 5.4, huh?
Ma'am, that only you wrote, ma'am. 5.4. Minus 5.4.
Is it plus? See, Anirudh, நீ திருப்பி என்ன சொல்றேன்னா எனக்கு அந்த ஆன்சர் தானே வந்திருக்கு. நான் அதுதான் சொல்றேன். உங்க ஸ்டெப்ஸ் தப்பு.
Okay, ma'am.
உங்களோட ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பும் ஸ்கிரீன்ல இருக்கிற ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்டெப்பும் மேட்ச் ஆறுதா?
No, ma'am.
அவ்வளவுதான். அதுதான் நான் சொல்றேன். நான் அதுதான் சொன்னேன். ஆன்சரை பார்க்காதீங்க. ஆன்சர் வந்திருக்கு, பட் நீங்க பிரசன்ட் பண்ண விதம் தப்பு.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now is it 5.4 or minus 5.4?
5.4. 5.4. 5.4. Minus 5.4, ma'am.
Minus 5.4. Because the greater number is 32.7. Minus 5.4. Now the RHS. What is the RHS? Minus A plus B. So you must put this minus sign. See, there's a minus here. Put the minus sign. What is A? A is minus 27.3. Then put the plus sign. What is B? Minus 32.7. Put that. Minus 32.7. You can use brackets wherever you want. Now next step, minus into minus plus, so 27.3 plus into minus minus 32.7, which is minus 5.4. LHS is equal to RHS, hence verified.
Yeah, ma'am, understood, ma'am.
Very good. Yeah, please write down this carefully. All the steps are important. You cannot miss even one step. Write down this answer, all the three of you, because somewhere or the other you have gone wrong. That's why. All three of you, please write down the answer.
Completed.
Yeah. All of you?
Ma'am, I'm almost done.
Okay. Today evening we'll have another class. I'll let you know the time. It will be from, I think, 9:30. What time do you people go to bed? Anirudh and Avnish?
Ma'am, 12 o'clock, ma'am, night 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock maybe.
Okay. Avnish?
Ma'am, 9.
9 you're in the bed, huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
What time do you wake up?
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. All right. Is that your routine, Avnish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When do you sleep in the afternoon?
Ma'am, I will not sleep in the afternoon, ma'am. I will play something, ma'am.
Okay, Avnish, I got it. Okay. So then today it's not possible because I can teach only after 9:30. I have classes till 9:30. Okay, fine. Then I'll schedule a class tomorrow. I'll let you know. You will finish this one now. Finish writing?
Yes, ma'am, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Because we have been doing integers for a long time because we couldn't have classes regularly. On and off, I couldn't teach. So we've been doing integers for a long time. I have to wind up this chapter and start the next chapter. In the holidays, I plan to finish at least 4 chapters. Let's see. Can I clear the screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that is about verification. Next, fourth one, 4A. We'll have to write the left-hand side. It's minus 3 minus minus 5. We'll have to simplify this. So it will be minus 3 plus 5, which is 2. And the other side, you can write LHS, RHS for this also. You can write LHS. Okay, RHS is, what is the RHS? It's minus 4 plus minus 9. So it is minus 4 minus 9, which is minus 13. So what is the sign? The answer for this one is 2. The answer for this one is minus 13. So 2 is greater than minus 13. Have you got this?
Yes, ma'am.
This is how you should do it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Next one. You please check your answers. And since it's time, I'm not asking you. I'll work and you check if you're right. B. Okay, I'm working the LHS for B. LHS is 71.
Ma'am, we just finished this. Should we copy it?
Yeah, if you have not finished, take it down. No, you can take a screenshot and complete it later. Now listen to me. Now don't write anything. When I'm talking, don't write anything. When I'm talking, when I'm explaining, don't write. Okay, so this is the LHS. This is the LHS. So 71 minus 2 is 69 and 69 minus 31. 69 minus 31 is 38. So this is the LHS. The RHS is here, children, LHS need not be equal to the RHS, children. That is verification. In verification, LHS should be equal to the RHS. This is, you'll have to put the less than, greater than, or the equal to symbol. So don't think here LHS and RHS should be equal. Don't get confused. So the RHS is 71 minus 2 plus 31. That is 69 plus 31, which is 100. 100. So what's the sign?
Ma'am, 100 is greater, ma'am.
This one is 100. So the sign is the less than sign. 38 is less than 100. 38 is less than 100. Okay, let me do the C now. Okay, C, left hand side. 39 plus minus 35 minus 58. So it will be 39 when you open the bracket like this. Now 39 minus 35 is 4 minus 58, which is minus 54. RHS 37 plus minus 11 minus plus 26. So it's 37 minus 11 minus 26. So 37 minus 11 is 26 minus 26, which is 0. So the left hand side. So the answer for the left hand side is minus 54. Right hand side is 0. So what is the sign? Less than or greater than? This sign or this sign? What happened?
Ma'am, left, ma'am.
Minus
54.
Minus 54 is less than 0, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Are you following, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. You should just simplify. So now the LHS is 23 plus minus 8 minus 7. So 23 minus 8 minus 7. So that will be, what is 23 minus 8? 15. 15 minus 7 is 8. RHS.
8.
Yeah, RHS 9 minus 13 plus 12. So 9 minus 13 is minus 4 plus 12, which is 8. 8. So left hand side answer is 8. Right hand side answer is also 8. So equal to. All right.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. We'll discuss the answers for 5 and 6. We'll discuss the answers for 5 and 6 and wind up the session for today. You take a screenshot of this one, children. This is your homework. Tomorrow you might have a class early in the morning then. Early morning meaning like say 7 to 8 or 8, 9 to discuss these answers. So finish the answers today itself. Anytime you can have the class tomorrow. Because I have the other classes, I'm not able to say the timing now.
Ma'am, I
But
wake up at 7 o'clock.
Yeah, okay, fine. Then 8 o'clock is okay, Anirudh?
Ma'am, 8 o'clock, ma'am. I will wake up at 10, 11, like that only, no, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. I will do something, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Okay. All right. I'll let you know. I'll let you know. Fine. I'll keep it in mind that you get up only after.
Complete from the fourth question, ma'am.
No, I'll show you. I'll show you.
Yeah.
Take a screenshot of this one.
Yes, ma'am. I already took it.
Okay. And this. These are your homework. Excuse me. I'll just zoom in so that you can make out the difference between the minus sign and sorry, division and plus. This one, children, this is division.
And these also we should take screenshot.
Yeah. No. Can you see the signs clearly?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, take a picture. Take a picture.
Took, ma'am.
All right, boys. Yeah, now complete this. Somebody said you have not completed.
Yes, ma'am. I completed, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So fifth one, the temperature at a place rises. The temperature at a place rises from minus 20 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius. What is the rise in temperature? What is the rise?
40 degrees Celsius.
40 degrees Celsius.
40 degrees.
Yeah. So how should you write the statements? Initial temperature, write down. If you have not written like this, write down. Initial temperature is equal to minus 20 degrees Celsius. Final temperature is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Increase or rise in temperature. Rise in temperature. You must write temperature spelling fully. Rise in temperature is equal to final temperature minus initial temperature. Final temperature minus initial temperature. That is equal to, what is the final temperature? 20 degrees Celsius minus the initial temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah, what I've written is rise in, disable your mic. Rise in temperature is equal to final temperature minus initial temperature. So 20, final temperature is 20 degrees Celsius minus initial temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius. Minus into minus plus, so 40 degrees Celsius. A place P is 82 meters above the sea level and another place is 13 meters below the sea level. What is the distance between the two places? So you must understand that distance is always positive. Distance is not negative. Distance is not negative. Distance is always positive. This is the sea level. This is the sea level. Okay. So there is a place P, 82. There's a place P. Okay, it's 82 meters above the sea level. And another place is 32, 13 meters. 13 meters. 1 minute. Okay, we'll just call the other place as Q. There's another place Q, which is 13 meters below the sea level. So the distance between the two places, so distance PQ. If you want to show the steps in detail, you can mark this point as O. You can mark this point as O and you can say distance OP is equal to 82 meters. Distance OQ is equal to 13 meters. So distance. So distance what? PQ. Distance PQ is equal to 82 plus 13, which is 95 meters. Or if you draw the diagram, you can mark points like this. Sea level, OP, OQ. Sea level, then OP and OQ. Distance OP, distance OQ. Distance is always positive. Because it is below the sea level, you should not write minus 13. Distance cannot be negative. Finish box.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, done.
Okay, you can also present it like this. I think this is this will be a better presentation. Look at this one. For the sixth one, you can write, I introduce absolute value to so you can use absolute value and write it. So you can write distance. Okay, first you should draw the diagram. Okay, so sixth one, first you draw the diagram. This is the sea level. Sea level. O, P, Q. Then this is 82 meters. And this is 13 meters. So you can write like this distance. You can write distance OP is equal to, it's positive because it's above the sea level. So it's absolute value of plus 82, which is 82 meters. Distance OQ is equal to, it's the absolute value of minus 13 because when we say it's below the sea level, below means negative. So, but distance is always positive. So you can write absolute value of minus 13, which is plus 13 meters. Do you understand this? Above means plus, below means minus. So now distance PQ. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So if you want to show the negative sign, because it's below the sea level, then it will be negative. You can write it like this. Absolute value of minus 13. Which is 13 meters. All right, children, finish writing?
Yes, ma'am.
No, have you taken this working also, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, boys. So
Yes,
please
ma'am.
finish. Yeah. Okay. So please finish all these answers till the 15th one. This is what we'll discuss in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
This is what we'll discuss in the next class. So if you don't work, then you might find it boring because you'll not be able to share your answers. Okay. Very nice. Thank you, Avanish, Anirudh, and Navneet. That's it for today's session. You may leave the call.
Thank
I'll
you,
let
ma'am.
you know
Thank
about
you.
the next class. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Any other class we
Ma'am,
have
what-
tomorrow? Tomorrow, Anirudh and
what-
Avanish, do you have any class?
Ma'am, no, ma'am. To put the holiday homework.
You keep it ready. You finish it and keep it ready today. Tomorrow we'll discuss the answers.
No, ma'am. I have doubt, ma'am. That I only know one sum, ma'am. Others are hard for me.
Okay, then we'll do it in the class itself.
Yeah, ma'am.